Which term best defines the word ruffled as it is used in paragraph 3 of the passage? A. Rippled, B. Bunched, C. Disgruntled, or D. Tousled? Let's begin by locating the context in which we see ruffled in paragraph 3. We see it in the first sentence, which tells us that Sparta is probably the best preserved Ice Age animal ever found and is more or less undamaged apart from the fur being a bit ruffled. We can see that in this context, ruffled refers to the condition of Sparta's fur. By replacing the word ruffled with our choices, we can see that rippled, which mostly just sounds like ruffled, and disgruntled, which refers to an attitude, don't really work here. Bunched could be an appropriate choice, but when taking into account tousled, which usually describes hair or fur, we can see that it's much more suitable for this context, and best matches the word ruffled. Based on this, we can mark D, tousled, as our final answer.